Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we'll discuss about ASTER DX and ASTER token and why there is so much hype about ASTER. So we'll discuss all the details and also we'll discuss about the airdrop and the tutorial also about ASTER DX, how you can use it. First of all, ASTER, this is a decentralized exchange where you can trade perpetual contracts. Perpetual contracts are basically, if you like, similar to future contracts, but they do not have any expiry date. And on ASTER DX, you can get a huge leverage, which is 1001x. That's actually insane. I would not suggest you guys to do that unless, of course, you understand the risk and you understand the trade, because it can liquidate your account within minutes. So just one small pump or dump against your trade and your account will be liquidated immediately, because this is huge. Anyways, so first of all, why ASTER is in news? Because CZ is backing it up. CZ keep talking about ASTER token constantly. Even today he was speaking about ASTER in the ASTER community. So that's the reason that everyone is talking about on ASTER, and ASTER also dropped a huge airdrop as well to its community, and they have also a second stage of airdrop as well, which I will talk about in a minute. So why CZ is backing up? Because CZ is in their advisory board. Also, ASTER DX backed up by YZ Lab, which was previously Binance Lab, and now they renamed it to YZ Lab. So that's the reason that CZ is also supporting it. So you can understand. So that's why you can see just CZ's timeline, and he just keep talking. And not only that, he just keep commenting about ASTER as well on different posts, not just by himself. He is not just posting, but he is replying also to the different people about it. Anyways, so now the next thing is about ASTER. So that's ASTER price is going up, and if we talk about its tutorial, that how it happens or how it works. So as you can see, there are two different type of trades. Either you can do the perpetual trading or you can do the spot trading. On the spot trading, you will only get a very few coins, but it's for multiple chain, not only just Binance chain, it also supports Arbitrum and Solana blockchain as well. But when you go to Perpetual, so then that time it only has just two blockchains. But anyways, the main thing is that you have to connect your wallet. Let me show you how you need to do in actually level by giving you a tutorial. Let's go to the MetaMask first and connect with it. So once you connect it, you have to approve it. Now once your wallet is connected, you have to deposit the money by, you can change any chain, whatever you want to do, and you can also deposit the money to the directly to perpetual contract account or a spot account. That is completely up to you, and you can choose the currency as well, not just USDF, but different currencies that you can use whatever you want to do. And once it is in your spot or perpetual account, you can transfer between the wallets as well. As you can see that I do not have here any money in the perpetual wallet, but if you go here from the spot, you can actually transfer from between these two accounts. So you have to, so it works like centralized exchange, similar to centralized exchange. You have to deposit into their wallet, but here they will not show you the wallet address where you can just directly send the money from other wallets. You have to connect you with your wallet, and then it will come to your wallet here. The good thing about which I liked is that if you want to trade here, so you don't have to worry about the slippage. If you're trading on spot, you want to convert your coins, although it's there are not much coins, but still Ether is there and Bitcoin. So these are the major coins, so they are there, although I think they would be giving some more coins as well, but for the moment it is only these ones for the spot. But of course on Perpetual there are a lot of coins, so you can see there are a lot of coins where you can trade in on Perpetual contracts. So the next thing, once you once you deposit the funds, so you can purchase, you can limit the order, you can stop limit, whatever you want to do. And once you're done with the trade, you can also withdraw your coins from your Perpetual or spot account, whatever you have, and you can just simply go here and send the coins. I think I just deposited from Perpetual to the, okay, here it is. So you can simply take, and the transaction fee is 0.1, which is quite less. So I think that's okay. So this is one thing. The other thing is now they are giving airdrop also based on your trading volume, whatever, how much you trade. But I would not suggest that, because they have already given the airdrop to their community, and now that will be second stage where you will be trading here and then you will need to participate, then you will be eligible for airdrop. But the problem is that if you will try to get the airdrop and then you will try to trade here, that will be a crazy part, unless of course you want to do the trade. That's completely different. But if you're doing trade with the huge risk, well, of course you can change the leverage to whatever you want to do. That's completely up to you. But still, I would not recommend that you have to do that. And there are other reasons also. So I believe that ASTER price is artificially pumped. The reason, let me tell you guys. So this is the onboarding and task rewards. You can do that if you want to participate in Airdrop coin. This is from their main page. Here you can go on their website and just click on Airdrop, and you will see all the details here. Let's go here, and I searched their ASTER contract address, and first of all, this is a high risk, inaccurate supply. It declared that total supply is quite less than the actual supply circulating tokens. So their declared supply does not match with the circulating tokens, which is a huge red flag. Also, if you notice here, their wallets, their top 5 wallets, they have 92% of the supply. So can you believe, when these guys will start selling, what would happen to the token supply? Of course, they are giving airdrops and all those things, so it might make sense to have 50% supply, but 90% in just 5 wallets, 92%, that's insane. And I have checked here also, as you can see, if we click on any of these wallets, so you can see the real time tokens here. This is not the old data, this is completely new. So this is insane. So that's why I will advise you guys to stay away. I'm not investing in ASTER. It has already a lot of its price has gone already a lot of up, so I would not suggest that you should go there. But it is up to you. The price can go still up, because in crypto it's the narrative that goes. And now since CZ is backing up, but you have to remember that CZ is not just backing up this project. He in the past has backed up few projects as well, which was not a good thing. They did not do well. And one or two of them, someone was telling on Twitter also, people were talking about when he was promoting ASTER, that it is not something like he is doing first time. So you have to be careful about it. That's pretty much it. Please let me know if you have any questions. So I will be happy to answer your questions. This is Naim Sajjad signing off.